How to add people on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add people on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to add people on WhatsApp, all you have to do is go ahead and then launch your WhatsApp application here. To add someone on WhatsApp, you have to understand WhatsApp extracts the context from your contacts application. So you have to add them as a contact on your phone, and you can also do that from the WhatsApp app by just tapping on this bottom right icon, which is a messaging icon here. And at the top, you'll find the option called new contact. Now, if they're already added in your contacts, you can search for them over here, or you can just simply create a new contact by tapping the new contact option, entering their first name, last name, their phone number, on which you make sure that they use WhatsApp. If they don't use WhatsApp, of course, you can't really text them, and then just tap the save option. This way you can add people on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.